Home wind turbine installation Exeter. Are you looking to transform your home with a clean, renewable energy source? Imagine powering your home with the strength of the wind. Whether you're situated in the bustling heart of the city or the serene countryside, wind power is an accessible and efficient solution for everyone. We specialize in installing a variety of wind turbines tailored to residential customers. From compact rooftop models to larger, freestanding units. We have the expertise to bring the power of the wind directly to your doorstep. You might wonder, is my home suitable for a wind turbine? Our team will do a thorough site assessment to ensure optimal placement and efficiency, making the switch to wind power smoother than you ever imagined. From initial consultation to final installation, we're with you every step of the way. Our certified installers ensure that your wind turbine is set up to harness the maximum amount of wind energy all year round. So, are you ready to take the leap towards a more sustainable, energy-efficient home? For more information on our local home wind turbine installation services, contact us today on 03332401 686.